Hello there guys, what is going on? This is just an update for today. Today is Monday. I showed you in the video yesterday that we are in an upward moving trend here. We can see this DRs and IDR levels and stuff is all making higher highs and higher lows there all the time. And then looking for long confirmations all the time. So this is the first session here that we look at on a Monday, and it actually starts on the Sunday evening for me, but it is Sunday. We can see the times here. We can look at the bottom there. I don't know if I do that, you can see the time. Yeah, it's like 9 o'clock in the evening. This is New York evening. So I don't trade this. This is what you call the ADR. It's the after session. And why it's called the after session is because the previous session here is called the RDR. Now this after session has given us a short confirmation just there. Prices comes down and then goes up and a nice move down. But the thing is, I am long, remember, so I'm looking to trade long confirmations only. So upon waiting for these confirmations, I also said that I would like to look for opportunities at these levels. Yeah, so if prices pulls back there, so that is the trade that you would look for. Or, you know, if prices pulls back to this level and then you're looking for buys, so it's just constantly buying and buying and buying until you get to that long-term goal. I think it was a March 2022 high that I'm looking for. So this is the ADR. This happens on Sunday evening. I don't take that trade, but what I do trade is when prices comes down to the level there. And then this is a proper confirmation here now. This is all high risk stuff here that I don't recommend. If you want to do this properly, the best thing to do is to do it, as I said, with a weekly bias. Remember the Tuesdays RDR, that's your guideline. And if Wednesday's ODR appears above that, then you're just looking for longs throughout the week. And this is what I'm doing, and the week starts on a Tuesday and it ends on the following Tuesday. So this here is today, Monday. This is your which session is this? This is your ODR. That's your overnight session. Yeah, it's like 3 in the morning for New York. So what we have here is a confirmation to the long side. And then you can take this as your retracement, yeah, and just go, or you can wait for a better retracement in this example. So I'll do my standard deviations here. So prices as went all the way up to the 0.5 standard deviation, and it retraced all the way back to 0.2. Now if you do this whole buying of the system and all that, and then you get more accurate levels and stuff, yeah, that would tell you whether this 0.2 standard deviation is the correct one based on the time and based on the price that it is there. So yeah, I mean, I'm not going to be paying for that sort of information. I mean, I paid so much for courses and for tools and things, but I mean, I recommend it to try it out with the master. You can try it out and see if you like it, but I'm just using the basic system here. So the basic system is that if you have a long confirmation, all you're looking for is longs. Yeah, so we don't know how far we want to extend before we start looking for pullbacks, because we're just trading the basic system. But with the whole full system, you can actually find out whether 0.5 standard deviation is a good level to retrace from, and you can even find out whether 0.2 is a good level to retrace to, and then start buying again. So it is quite good. Then we have this messed up session here. This is your RDR, your regular session. So I told you that I'm looking for long confirmations, right? Unfortunately, I get a short confirmation. So this messes my plan up completely now, because I'm getting a short confirmation, which means I am looking for this retracement here and looking for it to go past that. And I'm looking for this retracement here and I'm looking for it to trade past that. So that works. Now look at how accurate this thing is, yeah? The whole idea behind the confirmation, yeah, is that once you get this confirmation, then you have an approximate 80, more than 80% chance that prices are not gonna close above this level here within this time period. Yeah, within as you can see at the bottom there, 1555. It's not gonna close below, or sorry, above this level within the time period. So yeah, using all that information now, there's another advanced sort of a trade that you could, that you could try, because you are looking for long trades only. You can look at this as your midpoint here. You see that midpoint there? That midpoint is going across there. It's being respected there, and that midpoint closes below there, but immediately gets taken again, and in this massive move up. Yeah, this is the trade that that you're really waiting on to go long here, because your weekly is pointing in the long direction. But look, to be fair here, this is a very difficult situation for me. It's very easy for the people following the complete standard setup, where you look for this short here, that's your short confirmation, and then you're looking for a retracement up here, and then you are just trading it short, hopefully to try and get below this level. Yeah, that's your basic rule. So if you had followed that, that means that you can't trade your weekly buys long. Yeah, you would want to see prices struggling here and not closing below the DR level here, and then going long would be a good idea. Look, there's such a lot of information here. I hope this video clarifies it a little bit. If not, leave some comments there, and make this thing worthwhile. I'm not looking for any courses, selling of courses or anything like that. All I want is some sort of communication between you and I. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye bye.